In a deal, you must redact certain information during negotiations. Datasite makes this crucial step easy, quick, and dependable.
Hi, I'm Caleb from the Datasite Assist team. Welcome to another Master It tutorial. Today, we're mastering redaction.
Here's how to redact across a single document. Navigate to the file you want, then click the redaction icon. Manually select any text that you want to hide. You can also select entire areas. This is useful for things like images and company logos. The text and area are now marked for redaction. If the text you want to redact occurs multiple times in the document, you can use the search feature to mark it up everywhere it appears. If your search finds any instances of the text where you don't need to redact it, you can unmark these manually. For large documents, you may want to upgrade to our Redaction AI, which instantly finds and marks up over 100 types of personally identifiable information, saving you from hours of manual redaction. Once you've made all your markups, just click Redact Marks, and your document's redacted. It's stored in the same place along with the original unredacted file. Only the redacted file is available until it's replaced with the original. Click the Redaction button in the left-hand menu to see a list of all redacted documents. You can unredact a document anytime. Select the file and click Edit Marks. You can manually unredact text or use Search to unredact particular phrases in bulk. To remove all redactions, just click Replace with Original.
And that's how you redact documents. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the other videos in this series and master the Datasite platform.